Alright, welcome back. In this video I'm going to continue with advanced modeling using Onshape. I've got a part opened up. The part includes some radiuses, some diameters. I will also have to mirror or project a feature, so let's get into it. I'm going to click Create, click Document, label it whatever you'd like. I'm going to start a new sketch on my front view. I can click these planes off by clicking on the eyes here or simply clicking P on the keyboard. I'm going to start with my two circles. Those circles are 5/8. So I'm clicking circle, clicking that center point, and typing in 5/8. I have another one in line with it to the right. The distance between those two circles is 3 inches, right there. You notice on the outside of it though, I do have another circle. It has a radius 3/4. So I need to go 1.5 inches. 1.5. And another one on this side, 1.5. In the middle here, I've got a rectangle, so I'm going to use the rectangle tool. I'm now going to dimension from my top line to my center at 1.25, right? My overall is 2.5. So from here to here should be 2.5, which means that from my center to here should be 1.25, right? You can see that now it's aligned. Moving left to right, I am going to place a line right at my midpoint as a construction line, and I'm going to dimension that from here to now that construction line 1.5. Right, that aligns. If my overall is 3, from here to my center should be 1.5. Notice it is still blue. I need to identify my width. If this radius is 5/8, right, so half of that distance, if I double that up, I get 1.25 or 1.25. Now you notice that everything is black. I need to use a tangent line from my top left corner here to my circle. As I come across, you'll see that that tangent icon appears. If it doesn't, and I'll do it on the right hand side. Right, so it didn't over here. I can use the tangent tool, click on the line, click on the circle, and it gives it a tangent line. I need the same thing on the bottom. And on this side. Notice that this one is still blue, so I am going to use that tangent constraint. Click on the circle, click on the line, and now it's black. Hit my green check. I'm going to turn it just slightly, click on extrude, and now I'm going to be sure to click on all of these pieces. The thickness there is 0.5 or 1/2 inch. Alright, so now I need to create this shape. New sketch on this side. I've got a circle that is 1/2 inch, so I'm going to line up, find that center and line up. 0.5. I've got another circle directly on that 5/8 or 1.25. Right, everything is still blue. I need to identify the distance from my bottom to my center. It is 1 3/8. I can type it in as a decimal, or I can type in 1 plus my 3/8. I'm then going to use the rectangle tool to help give me that outside shape. I'm going to actually come back with my trim and clear out this just to make my extrusion a little bit easier. Hit my green check, rotate just slightly, click on extrude, click on that new piece that I just made, but it is going the wrong way. I want it to go on my object. And again, my thickness is right here at 0.5. got the same thing on the right hand side. Rather than redoing all of that, I'm simply going to click on Sketch, click on that side, and again we do have a tool up here that says Project, and I'm simply going to project that original shape, hit my green check, click on Extrude, click on that shape now, making sure that it comes onto my object. I want to add it at 0.5 and hit my green check. And there's my part. Thank you.